Hi everybody, it's Jeannie. I am excited to go over my 1K giveaway that I have going on. I have not quite hit the 1K mark, but I'm close. But I thought I'd go ahead and put the video up. You can go ahead and start entering the contest, or it's not a contest, it's a giveaway. I will start off, I will review products again. These have been on some other videos I have. Okay, I've got 10 different matte lipsticks. I think they're all matte. See, that's shade Cocoa, that's shade Leo. So cute. Court K. There's a bunch. There's 10 though. They're all different colors. They range from very light nude to dark. Okay, let's see where to go next. All right, we will do the Ish. This is the Cosmic Collection, and this is the color Celestial. I have a cat out the door meowing. Okay, we have LA Girl Ilux. This is in the color Tranquilize, which is in a beige, brown, and green color, green tones. Here, next item is a palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the Royal, drop the bag. Okay, Royal Affair. I just dropped the sheet out of it. It's very, very pretty colors there. All right. Let me get this in the bag. All right, next I have the Turned Up Apparition by NYX, which is also green. As you can tell, I love green apparently. A brow pomade. It's a dark brown. Okay, here we have the Catrice Precious Pigments Loose. I'm looking down, probably look cross-eyed in the camera. Pink Galaxy, but it's a loose eyeshadow pigment. Very pretty. Then we have the Alternative Rock by The Balm. It is a pinkish tan is the best way I can discover it. Take It for Granted is the color. Then I have a Ella Eden, the color Julia, which is also a pink. We have the Fab 5 by JCats. Let's see, is this? No, it hasn't been opened, so I can't. This is in the color Mysterious Trove. Okay, a Real Technique sponge. Then this came in my Ipsy bag today. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it. Y'all can phonetically spell it out for me below. It's a Ciate London. It's a highlighter. It is in the color Moon Dust. It's, I had that as blurry. It's also a beigey color, maybe with a hint of pink to it. Okay, then we have the Ulta Beauty Endless Eyes. Some really pretty colors in there. I've got the same palette I really like it. Okay, also out of my Ipsy bag is the Farrah brush. This is in F50, I do believe was the number. Then I have a AM to PM eyeliner in Mocha. Then we have a Smashbox sample of their Studio Skin 15-hour wear hydrating. I also have the, and I busted the end of the package trying to open it when the other end was already ready. This is the Noto Nutu color. It's for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Again, these are all, I've not sampled these because that would be gross. Let's see, I had some other things. Oh, I've got two, I don't know where they're at. That's weird. Where are they? I have 2 sets of brushes from Ulta. These retail for $25. This is the Flawless Face. And then this set here is the Eye Essentials. So that alone is $50 right there. I have some mascara. There's still some other stuff. I will have some the black product, I think it's BLAQ. I have the eye masks to go with this. So if you have watched the video, in your comment below, put down the word peach, which is the name of my cat, because I want to know that you've watched this to the end. I'm not going to give y'all a hint to watch it to the end. I still didn't fix my hair, but I did take the things out. So that is it. Again, there's going to be more. I will have the rules listed. You have to be subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. That'll give you an extra entry in here. You have to put down what I just said for y'all to put down. I'm not going to repeat what I said. You can go back and watch if you didn't catch it. I'm not sure what else. But anyway, subscribe to me because I have to hit that 1K mark for this to be given away. I see dust flying in the air. If you like my eye look and stuff, I have a video on it. The eyes was using the Concrete Minerals that I purchased from Indy and Ari, which is a company out of California, and I love how this looks. I have about 50 different shades to try. No, there's not that many, I don't think, but I did go through those in the video. My foundation today was the L'Oreal Pro Glow in the color Natural, Light Natural, or no. I don't know where I said it, but it's also in the video in another one. So this is actually, I'll finish about, I won't talk about makeup no more because this is about the giveaway. So again, subscribe, comment below with what I asked you to comment or any other comment you have for me. And again, I hope y'all enjoy this eye look. I keep looking down because I'm looking at my cameras on a box. And I'm looking down so I can, hopefully you can see the eyes better. It was very sparkly, shimmery, but anyway. So that's it. I love everybody. Hugs and kisses. And I will see y'all next time.